Hello again, loves. Rebecca here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Memory Makers Digital Design Team layout. This release is the Garden of Delight. It's my first of two projects. So this has got lots of beautiful florals and glitter-esque paper. So we've got some tags and tabs here. These are just the ones I've printed out, so there is so much more. We have a petal envelope, which is really big, but I'm going to use it as a different design. That was in the silver. This is in the turquoise. Hold please, can't flip my pages. I've got this beautiful floral. I'm going to fussy cut to the extreme on these. Some more florals there. Florals, you name it. We've got florals in this collection. How gorgeous are all of these? Like I said, I'm going to fussy cut these out. I am just going to go, usually I fussy cut beforehand, but because I'm going to cut everything, I just kind of wanted to show y'all. So we've got some beautiful floral tabs and tags and pockets, and then some more glitter. These are called bookmarks, but we're going to use them for other things. Bookmarks and pockets, some tags and pockets, so it kind of shows you how to go ahead and make that. This one is cute as well. And then I'm going to use this to back my photo, I think. So I'm going to go through and fussy cut all of that. I'm going to be doing 2 photos today. And yeah, that's pretty much where we're going to do it. So I will be back shortly with a whole bunch of fussy cut stuff. Alright, so here's kind of what we have going on. I've got my photos trimmed down and matted on those 2 squares. They're going to go, if you can read, where photo 1 and photo 2. They're going to sit in there, and I actually think that to me this one is straight and that one is off, but it is what it is. My camera's actually a little bit off. So because the strips are only so big, we are making all of these tags work. Actually, they're bookmarks. So we just want to make sure that they're hidden underneath there, and then I'm just kind of like taking that and going, whoop, so that when this sits back over there, it'll just be a whole bunch of fun tags. And then I just pulled some cardstock pattern paper from my stash. Definitely want to put the red one over here so it doesn't overlap the red cardstock, like I said. So we just follow that down, and then just keep going. This one, then we just get that one stuck back down. So you can kind of see where I am going with this. And that one's going to go there, and then see, we just have all of those fun grabbing those scissors. So like this guy, I know we want to put him right there, which means that this one is just going to come right here. And then this guy we just need to leave all intact. be, it's going to come right there. And then we'll get a green one on there. So let me just go ahead and keep filling this up. Kind of on the wonk, right? So let's just pull. See, and I'm always about doing the top down. So we got that one there. Obviously we need to pull this up and this up, and this is really just going to kind of pop in there. How fun is that? And then we can get this one. I don't know, I'm thinking that that's going to be, how cool is that? All right, so I'm going to just stick a little pieces in here and there, and we'll be right back. All right, so I've taken a lot of those fussy cut florals and popped them around, and then I needed some dimension, so I just pulled out from my stash this acrylic title, which says wonderful, because this really just was a very wonderful weekend. And we're going to pop this right about here so that the title kind of flows into this cluster up there. I've used an enamel flower to kind of cover that dot. Just remember, it was the only one that was on there because it was the only one I used that was an actual tag. We've got some sunglasses because we had some sunglass joke going on. We're actually doing shots, so I put these little bottles of alcohol on there, some little florals, and then we're just gonna top it off with some of these hearts from my stash, which are gonna pop quite nicely on all of this darker color. I'm tucking a few of them under. Okay. And then I did take a silver G2 gel pen and just drew a little messy outline and did some faux stitching in some places. There actually. And that's it. So don't forget to check out Memory Makers and pick yourself up this beautiful collection. I did fussy cut a ton, so all of this will be for my next layout. And I just use regular printer paper, you guys, because for me it works the same, and it actually makes my pages just a little bit thinner than all the cardstock on cardstock on cardstock. So thank you guys so much for hanging out, and I'll see you later with another video. Bye.